The Baird's minke whale tops the list with over 10 stomachs. There are two large stomach chambers, the main stomach and the pyloric stomach. Whales also have connecting chambers between the stomachs. The average number of connecting chambers is 8.24. But different whale species have anywhere from 0.3 to 11 connecting chambers. Minke whales hunt a wide variety of prey, from fish to sea lions, and even great white sharks. They are highly social, have complex cultures, and advanced hunting techniques. Minke whales are unique animals with strong teeth and powerful jaws. Sloths are arboreal mammals native to Central and South America. They prefer to live in tropical rainforests and often hang upside down. With their thick, brown fur, sloths are known for their slow pace of movement, only about 40 yards per day. Despite their slowness, they are amazing swimmers. Their low metabolism makes it difficult for sloths to digest their food, which is mainly leaves. They have for stomachs to break down their food, which takes about a month to complete. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, so they need large stomachs to hold a lot of food. Sloths spend most of their lives eating, sleeping, and resting in the forest canopy. The Canadian deer is a common herbivore native to Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Northern Europe, and Northern Asia. Canadian deer, like other members of the deer family, are ruminants. They have for stomachs and perform the process of chewing their food. When they eat, they first chew their food and then swallow it for storage in the first stomach rumen. Next, the food is broken down further in the second stomach reticulus before they regurgitate the food from this stomach back into their mouth for further chewing. This process, called cud chewing, usually occurs when the Canadian deer is resting. The food eventually passes into the third stomach omasum, where water is absorbed before reaching the abomasum for further breakdown. Finally, nutrients are absorbed into the body through the intestines. Hunting and raising of wild and domestic Canadian deer for meat, hides, milk, antlers, and transportation plays an important role in the lives of Arctic and subarctic people. It has even become an important part of American culture, as evidenced by the Christmas legend of Santa Claus riding a sleigh pulled by flying Canadian deer. Hippos have a particularly unique digestive system, which is why they are called pseudo-ruminants. These pseudo-ruminants have 3 stomachs, but still have the same benefits as a 4-chambered ruminant stomach. Giraffes live in savannas and open forests where they prefer to eat acacia trees. They have 4 stomach chambers, and the first chamber is adapted to a diet consisting mainly of acacia trees. Camels have 3 stomachs. These chambers allow them to absorb as much nutrition as possible from the scarce and poor quality food they eat. Ostriches have 3 stomachs and are unusual in that they have extremely long intestines. They don't have teeth, so they eat small stones to grind up their food. Therefore, they need 3 stomachs so that they can break down all the different things they eat. Kangaroos are the largest members of the family Macropodidae. They are marsupials native to Australia and New Guinea and have 2 stomach chambers. Kangaroos are herbivores and graze mainly on grass and occasionally shrubs. Crocodiles have 2 stomachs used to digest their prey. The first part contains rocks to grind up their meal, while the second part is highly acidic to break down the rest of the food so they can digest it. Most dolphins have 3 stomachs, since dolphins do not chew their food. The first stomach is concerned with breaking down the food into smaller pieces. while the rest of the digestion takes place in the second and third stomachs.